Welcome back to my channel. This is a new and improved channel. I am naming the channel Backyard Oasis. Whew, that is a great name. Backyard Oasis Garden. So the name of the channel is Backyard Oasis Garden. And I came up with that name because of the peacefulness back here. And the birds and the wind chimes. It's just awesome. But it is early morning today, and I wanted to come out and do a little harvesting before the heat comes. So it's been like so cool. It was cool yesterday and today. So it is around about 8:30 a.m. So it's time for me to get to work on harvesting. So what I'm going to harvest today is I'm gonna get some cucumbers because I know I've been seeing them. I saw one like this on yesterday. So I'm gonna get some cucumbers, and I'm gonna do some, what is it called? Turnips leaves, not the round ball turnip, but the turnip leaves. I want to say kale leaves, turnip, kale, and collards. Anything that looked like a leaf is going into the harvest basket today. And also, I am going to do me a little side batch of lettuce. So it should be fun, should be interesting, and I want to just show you my garden. It's been so hot, so when I come out here it's so early, so I'm trying to get out here and get back in before I overheat. So that's why we haven't had any videos, any updates. But the garden is doing great. I've been eating from it. We've been eating corn. Not corn. My corn is growing, so we haven't been eating that. So I've been eating cucumbers, squash, green pepper. I put it in some baked beans for the 4th of July. That was really cool. What else? And I picked as they call it, a mess of turnips for the 4th too. So we had that as well, and it was delicious. Everything that comes out of this garden is so delicious and fresh, especially those cucumbers. I just eat them with a little vinegar, salt, and pepper, but pretty good. So let me get ready. So this is my little towel here. I'm going to clean my little clipping utensil to harvest the greens. So yeah, so come on, stay tuned. All right, so now I'm going to clean my cutting tool. These are my little shears right here. So I've seen on other YouTube channels, they say clean them before you start cutting them, because in case some of your plants were diseased, you can pass that on to the next plant. So it's always good to clean them up. So I'm cleaning it with alcohol here. These are the shears, and this is my alcohol right here. So, and also let me show you this. I got some liquid fish fertilizer. Fish and guano. I think that's what it's called. So it's a it's a 962 fertilizer. What does that mean? And also I want to show you this rose that was gifted to me, and I'm gonna plant this soon, so stay tuned for this. This is beautiful. I didn't know the roses grow at this young age, but it's beautiful. And this is my little workstation right here. It's so much you haven't seen since the last video, but we'll get into that. This is your little cup, measuring cup for the fertilizer. All right, so let's get to harvesting. Okay. So this is, I'm gonna harvest all of this out of here. These are the leaves. But I don't think I need a knife for this. Last time I just picked it with my hands. I usually pick around the edges first. I picked some the weekend of the 4th of July, and they were good. Somebody say you just pick them all. And this is a container, so sometimes I'll be seeing things in here that doesn't look like the other stuff, so I don't know. But this is the way I do it. I don't know if I'm doing it right or not. I'm gonna throw this. I got a little trash can out here. Something ate that one. I ain't gonna use that one. The way. Okay. This one looks pretty clean. Where the other one she said she wanted it? That look like I thought I had cleaned it. I don't know what that is. I don't know. This she wanted. All right, baby, grow back. Oh, I think this is ready to be. Is this one ready? Yep. I picks everything. And the squash is down there. And look at my sunflowers. They're about to open up. So I put some neem oil on them because something has been eating them since I planted them, ever since they started growing with the leaves. But when the sun comes out, they'll like point towards the sun. They'll go towards the sun. Wait. Okay. I'm looking to see if because those cucumbers, they'll creep up on you. They'll be fully grown, and I didn't even know they were a baby at once. Like, how did you get big? I didn't even know you was in the world. Whoa, okay, I'm going to get this. I just cut everything because they say the more you cut, the more grows. So I don't care how big they are when I see them. Get out of the way. Ooh, it look like it's some more growing there. Look like 1, 2. I'm scared to cut. Oh, oh, you think I'm gonna cut? Oh, shucks. Come on, big boy. Come on. Ha! Ready. And look at my tomatoes. I have planted so many tomato plants, and I thought that, and when I just cut these, I just trim back all of my dead leaves. I just can't stand seeing them on the plants. So I want to show you my tomatoes. Look, it's like, I don't want to point them, but I got a cluster there, so they're growing. So I was thinking I had given up on the tomatoes, but they're back. We had 2 that I harvest, but oh, look at this green pepper coming. Look at that little baby coming. The sweet little baby is coming. I see it. Whoa. Come on, baby. Don't fall. Any more cucumbers? Let me cut some of these dead ones on. And I don't know what that is. I really and truly don't. If you know what it is, let me know. I'm going to cut these right here. So I know this is mint on this side of them. And I think these are, somebody told me they curly mustards. Look at that, look at that. I'm gonna throw this one away. It got white stuff on it. I don't like the white stuff. Oh, is that the oil I put on it? You think that's okay? All right. Come on, baby. The mint is going to take over, so I don't know how much life you going to have left, but the mint's going to take over. That's my last. I'm going to get that, too. Okay, so look at my onions. Onions are growing. This is my lettuce is growing. I'm going to pick that. I'm going to have me a salad today. And look at my sweet potato.
That could be put in a pot. Put it in the house.
Yep. Look at that. New leaves are growing right here. Oh, the sweet. I can't wait to see what's in this bag. So I think I'm going to dump it out next month. Because I think they said like 90, 120 days. And look at my watermelons. Oh, my sweet little babies. I got one on each one. They are growing so beautiful. Oh, that watermelon got big, didn't it? Look at this sweet little baby. I got to get me some stockings so I can put, but this right here, I don't know what this is. And it's another one growing back here. Did you get this one? Back there, I don't know what is like that. Oh, God. I don't know what it is. It's like, But it's getting ready to break. I got to get something. I told Cena to bring me an old stocking that she had.
You got that net stuff in there. You got to put it.
What net stuff? This is the garden tour. This is the main garden tour. But I'm gonna give you an update with the my little bee friend just keeps coming back. I'm telling you, they are my best friends early in the morning. But that is all that I have for the harvesting this morning. And this is what I have. So this is like for a meal today. And my cucumbers. Oh, I was gonna get the lettuce. Let me show you the lettuce. And I'm gonna make me a salad today. Oh, it feels so good. All right.